jump. It's so thick. Just hold your hands at your side. Come on, babe, do it.
Come on, D. Closer. Kidding. Come on, D.
She's not gonna hit the bottom. She weighs like 3 pounds.
I know.
Go on, babe, just do it. It's not scary. Go. Jump, babe, jump. Babe, look at me. Dig. Hold your hands at your side like this. You hold.
Go.
Push your legs tight. Jump. Babe, you're gonna love it.
Oh my God.
Jump,
Go,
jump.
D. Go, D. No, he would never. Are you kidding me?
Go, babe. Hurry up. D, you're going to be so happy once you do it. I'm telling you. Come on. Babe, just do it.